What up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lucy. My channel is filled with a variety of topics, from try-on hauls to reviews to story times to rants and to, of course, couponing. In today's video, I will be showing you, as you can see from the picture, how I got all of these things for 28 cents each. Yes, I got each and every one of these for 28 cents each. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe if you like content like that. Give me a like button at the end of this video if you like this content, and comment down below if you want more videos like this. So this haul is for CVS. It's for the week of December 6th through the 12th. I'm starting this haul off with only a $3 beauty buck. I will not be using any paper coupons. I feel anybody can do this deal. All you need is the CVS app. Go ahead and download it if you do not have it. The more you shop with CVS, the more you accumulate their store coupons. They call them CRTs if you're not familiar. And combining them with the digital coupons, I assure you, you are able to still coupon even without paper inserts. So if you're ready to see how I got all of this for 28 cents each, then just keep on watching. The first deal I'm going to do is the Garnier face deal. This week CVS has buy two, get a $5 extra buck. The limit is one. With this deal, I have some really good CRTs I got a couple from last week and then a couple from this week. I have two 7 off 2 Garnier Skin CRTs. I also have one $2 off of Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. And I have a $2 off Garnier Green Labs Cleanser. I also received this $2 off Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water CRT this past Sunday. I tried to apply it to my transaction, but for some reason it didn't go through. I'm not for sure if there's a limit to how many CRTs you can stack, because I already have one, and the other two 7 off 2 I was going to stack as well, but that's okay. I continued the transaction anyways. So what I went ahead and did is I got one Green Lab product. The product I picked was $9.49. I got one Garnier Micellar Water. That was $9.99. Together they came to $19.48. I deducted the two 7 off 2 Garnier Skin CRTs. I deducted the $2 off Green Lab CRT and the $2 off Micellar Cleansing Water CRT. That was a total savings of $18. So I started off with $19.48. I deducted $18 in extra bucks. At the register, I was left to pay $1.48 out of pocket. I got $5 extra buck back for doing the deal, which made this transaction free, plus a $3.52 moneymaker. As you can see with my receipt, all the CRTs came off perfectly, and my subtotal came out just as expected. On to transaction number 2. Transaction number 2, I decided to do the spend 30, get $10 holiday extra buck deal. They had this going on for the past couple weeks. I waited until this week to do it because I couldn't really come up with a good enough deal that I felt was worth me doing. So I held off until this week. And so this week I incorporated the L'Oreal Age Perfect products. All the L'Oreal face care products were included, but I did the L'Oreal Age Perfect. So what I did was I got one L'Oreal face product. It was $19.49. I got one all blue liquid detergent that was on sale this week for $2.99. I got one all clean and clear liquid detergent that was also on sale for $2.99. I got one Tide Pods That was on sale last week and this week for $4.94. And I just decided to grab one Dawn dish soap. Now, I would have hit my $30 mark without the dish soap, but I can't ever pass up getting Dawn dish soap when it's 99 cents. So I always grab one when I see it. So my total came to $31.40. As far as my coupons, I had two $6 off L'Oreal Age Perfect CRTs. I was able to stack them. I also had a $5 off $15 worth of L'Oreal Face CRT. In the CVS app, there was a $1.50 off Blue All Laundry Detergent digital manufacturer coupon, as well as a $1.50 off All Clean and Clear digital manufacturer coupon. And there was a $2 off Tide Pods digital manufacturer coupon. All of those coupons you can find in your local Sunday inserts, but I was able to find them in the digital form in the app. I also added on the $5 extra buck that I just received from the Garnier Deal. So all of those CRTs, digital coupons, and extra buck, it came to a total of $27 in savings. So I started with $31.40. I deducted the $27 in coupons. That left me to pay at the register $4.40 out of pocket. I got back $10 extra buck for doing the deal, and this made this transaction free plus a $5.60 money maker. That's pretty awesome. As you can see with my receipt, all of the coupons and CRTs came off perfectly, and my subtotal ended up being exactly what I had calculated. The next deal I decided to do, I wanted to do a hair deal just because I haven't done any hair deals in a long time. My stockpile of hair products is pretty big. So I wanted to lay off of the shampoos, conditioners, and hair styling products, but I actually stopped getting hair CRTs. So I thought that I needed to do a couple this week just so in the next couple weeks I could start receiving hair CRTs. So I decided to do the Dove deal this week. They had Dove hair care, buy two, get a $2 extra buck. They said that there's a $4 off two manufacturer coupon in the Sunday inserts, but I did not get that. If you received the Sunday inserts this week and you have that coupon, you could definitely go ahead and apply that to your transaction. I'm pretty sure that your total out of pocket will be lower than mine, but I did not, so mine is going to be a little higher. I also incorporated into this hair deal the Nexus deal. This week, CVS has a spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. The limit is 1. So what I did was I got 2 Dove shampoo and conditioners. This week they were $4.99 each. 2 of them came to $9.98. I got 1 Nexus conditioner. It came to $21.49. Together, those 2 were $31.47. As far as coupons in the CVS app, I found a $2 off 2 Dove digital manufacturer coupon. It's not as good as the $4 off 2 in the paper inserts, but that's okay. I'll take it. I also found a $3 off 1 Nexus digital manufacturer coupon. As far as CRTs, I had a $5 off $25 worth of Dove, Nexus, or Tresemme CRT. I don't necessarily care for Tresemme. I have a lot of bottles of that. I don't necessarily have too many bottles of Nexus products, so that's why I decided to do the Nexus and Dove instead of the Tresemme. I also added in the $10 extra buck from the holiday deal I just got done doing, and I added in that $3 beauty buck that I started this whole entire haul with. All the savings came to $23. So I started with $30.47. I deducted the $23 in savings. That left me to pay $8.47 out of pocket at the register. I got back $2 from doing the Dove deal, and I got back $5 from doing the Nexus deal, which that's a total of $7 in extra bucks that I got back, which left $1.47 for all three items, or just 49 cents each. Looking at my receipt, once again, all the coupons, the manufacturer, the CRTs, they all came off exactly as planned, and my subtotal was exactly what I had expected. The next deal I decided to do, it was pretty last minute and kind of random. I wasn't going to do any makeup deals this week just because I have such a surplus amount of makeup, but I felt like I needed another extra buck just to help my lower out of pocket for my last transaction. So I decided to do the Maybelline deal because I felt like it was a very cheap, low out of pocket deal, and it would give me a decent amount of extra bucks. So this week, CVS has any Maybelline cosmetic, buy two, get a $5 extra buck. The limit is one. Because this deal was last minute and I didn't necessarily need any specific makeup, and it would only had me buy two things. What I did was I tried to pick the two cheapest things. So what I did is I grabbed two baby lip products. They were $4.79 each. Two of them came to $9.58. As far as coupons, the only thing that I had was a 40% off Maybelline CRT. I received it last week, and I decided not to use it last week only because I had a couple other Maybelline CRTs. And when you incorporate our percentage off CRT with other CRTs, for some reason, it lowers the amount that it takes off. It doesn't take off the actual 40% off. It takes off 40% after all coupons and after all CRTs. So I decided to wait to use it, and this time seemed like the perfect time. So I used the 40% off Maybelline CRT, which it deducted $3.04 from the $9.58. I also rolled only the $2 extra buck from the Dove deal and held off on the Nexus $5 extra buck deal. That was a total savings of $5.04. So I started with $9.58. I deducted the $5.04, and that left me to pay $4.54 out of pocket. But I got a $5 extra buck for doing the deal, so that made this Maybelline deal free plus a 46-cent moneymaker. Looking at my receipt, it's very simple. Those two things came off, and my subtotal, of course, was exactly what I had calculated. The last deal that I had decided to do was the food deal. Last week, I received a $5 off $25 food CRT. So I decided to incorporate a couple food deals and then some water as well. So with the first food deal they had, it was considered the stocking stuffer deal. That's what they called it, the stocking stuffer deal. It was spend 10, get a $5 extra buck. The limit is one. With this deal, it incorporates specific gums, candy, and cookies and snacks. So what I did, since everything was all different prices, I just went ahead and picked certain snacks and cookies that I felt that my house would eat. So you can adjust this deal and purchase whatever products that you feel that would be beneficial to your household. For me, I just picked the snacks and cookies that I knew my kids would eat. Along with that, I did the Hershey's Holiday Kisses and miniature snack deal. They're on sale this week, 2 for $6. But you buy two, you get a $2 extra buck. The limit is one. I also went ahead and got a 24 pack of just the basic water, bottled water. And I also picked up 2 of the Ice Canyon 6-pack bottled water. So this is what it looks like so far that I picked up. For the snack deal, I got 2 Chips Ahoy. They were 89 cents each. 2 of them came to $1.78. I got 4 Ritz Bits cheese cracker bags. They were $1.69 each. 4 of them came to $6.76. I got two 4 packs of Oreos. They were also $1.69 each. Two of them came to $3.38. And then I got two Chips Ahoy big chewy bags. They were $1.79 each. Two of them came to $3.58. My total for all those snacks was $15.50. Now, I did go over my $10 mark. I messed up with calculating. I don't know what I forgot to calculate, but on my calculator, I came up with $10 worth, but clearly I was $5 over. So your out of pocket will probably be less than that if you don't get as many as I do and you just stop at the $10 mark. With the Hershey Holiday Deal, I just got one bag of Kisses and one bag of Reese's, which my total came to $6 for that. And then with the water, one 24-pack of just the basic water this week was $3.19. I've seen this water cheaper. There was weeks where the water was $2.49 or $2.99, $2.89. $3.19. It's a little more than what I'm used to paying for that, but I needed it because I had a very specific water CRT that I wanted to incorporate. So I picked up one 24-pack that was $3.19. And then I got two 6-packs of Ice Canyon water. Each were $2.89 each. For two of them, it came to $5.78. With that 24-pack and the two 6-packs, my total for that was $8.97. So the snack deal total was $15.50, plus the Hershey's total was $6, plus the water total was $8.97. Altogether, my total was $30.47. As far as coupons, I used my $5 off $25 food CRT. I had a $2 off $7 worth of water CRT. I rolled that $5 extra buck from the Nexus deal, and I also rolled that $5 extra buck from the Maybelline deal. That was a total savings of $17. So I started with $30.47. I deducted the $17. It left me to pay at the register $13.47 out of pocket. Now again, if you don't go over the $10 mark for the snack deal, of course, your out of pocket will be $5 cheaper. I got back a $5 extra buck for doing the snack deal, and I got back a $2 extra buck from doing the Hershey's candy deal, which left $6.47 for all 15 items, or just 43 cents each. Taking a look at my receipt, once again, all the CRTs and extra bucks came off as planned, and my subtotal was exactly $13.47. After rolling all the extra bucks, my end total ended up being $7.94 for all 27 items. But if you use any cashback reward apps, you should be able to get some more money back. So I checked Ibotta. Ibotta didn't have any cashback offers for me. I did scan my receipts to Fetch. I got a total of 17 cents back from Fetch, which isn't a lot to some, but it adds up to me. So I deducted that 17 cents that I got back from Fetch, which it was $7.94 minus 17 cents. It left me to pay $7.77 for 27 items, or just 28 cents each. It ended up being a 94% savings. So this haul was definitely a success. I will be doing another haul sometime later on this week, hopefully, that I will be able to post so you guys can see round 2. Leave me any comments or questions that you may have, and I'll do my best to try to answer them for you. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.